Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the Dollar General glitch list. We've got freebies, we've got overages, we've got all kinds of good things to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up we have a few housekeeping items to talk about. Number one, don't forget we do have a really good sale going on right now at Dollar General on home decor items, storage items, and organizational items. And I did put up a video about that yesterday, so if you missed it, make sure that you go and check it out because that sale does end today on Monday, May the 8th. And then I also wanted to remind everybody about the free breakfast deal that I posted about last week. Now that sale on the Kelloggs cereal has ended, but you can still pick up some breakfast items and get them for free after the coupons. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check that one out as well, because that deal does end tomorrow on Tuesday, May the 9th. And also, y'all definitely need to make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all this week, because we have a lot going on at Dollar General. I've already uploaded the new coupons and glitches video yesterday. We also have a new penny list for this week at Dollar General, which will start tomorrow on Tuesday, May the 9th. And then after that, we have a Dollar General clearance event coming up, and I've already posted all of those videos, so if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And then one more thing before we get into this glitch list, I do want to remind everybody that I have already put together a video going over everything that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. So in that video, I go over all the most frequently asked questions, general information, plus I share with you all some pro tips. That way y'all can get out there and find all of the amazing hidden clearance items. So y'all make sure that you go and check out that video if you haven't already, and that will be linked for you in the pinned comment as well. And also make sure that y'all stay tuned, because I'm going to be uploading clearance event visual videos all week long, and you're definitely not going to want to miss out on these deals. Alright, now for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. And I also want to remind everybody to please watch the videos all the way through, because if you skip through the video and you skip over the portions where I'm talking, you might miss out on some pretty important information. Alright, so first up we have this 50 cent off one digital coupon on the Lysol products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Lysol multi-surface cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. So if you want to pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Alright, next up, we've got this one-off-one digital coupon on the Suave body wash. This coupon is glitching and working on the Suave hand soaps. These are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Or if you can find the Suave milk and honey hand soaps, this digital coupon is also working on those. These are on clearance right now for $1.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 65 cents. But keep in mind that this item will be included in the clearance event and will be an additional 50% off when the clearance event starts. Alright, next up, we have this one-off-one digital coupon on the Vaseline, Dove, Suave, and Shea Moisture products. This coupon is working on the 3.4 ounce Vaseline lotions. These are priced at $3.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.85. Alright, next up we have this one-off-two digital coupon on the American greeting cards. This coupon is glitching and working on the 50-cent cards, so pick up two at 50 cents each. Use this coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 2 pennies for 2 items. Alright, next up we've got this one-off-one digital coupon on the Dove Men Plus Care deodorants. Now this coupon is glitching and working on all kinds of the regular Dove and Dove Men Plus Care products. Next up we have this 2-off-1 digital coupon on the Shea Moisture products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Shea Moisture mud masks. These are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. All right, next up, we've got a 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Dial body wash and hand soap. So this coupon is glitching and working on the travel size Dial body washes. These are priced at $2.25, so pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Oral-B toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes, these are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now, we also still have this 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Crest and Oral-B products, and this coupon is glitching and working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes as well. So if you want to pick up 2, use that 3 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, this 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Crest and Oral-B products is also glitching and working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 2, use this coupon, and that's going to make both of those completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. All right, now next up, we have this 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Mr. Clean products. This one is glitching and working on the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 1 count found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Now, I'm going to go ahead and point out the disclaimer again to always make sure that you scan the products to make sure that that digital coupon does attach before you go up to the register. Because I know specifically with this glitch, we get it a lot, almost every single month. However, once you get into the store and you scan the 1 count magic erasers, that coupon doesn't show up underneath the product. Now, I do believe that there is a way that we can kind of get around this and still use those coupons, and that is by putting it in as a pickup order. So I think that that should work out just fine. I haven't tried it myself just yet with this specific glitch, but always keep that in mind anytime something isn't attaching for you in the app. You might just want to throw it over into your cart in the DG app and then put that in as a pickup order. I know that last week I was having some issues with the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush. That coupon wasn't attaching for me in the store. But if you throw it into your cart, it will in fact take off that coupon. And the same thing goes for the Old Spice, which we're going to talk about right now. So for the Old Spice, we have this 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Old Spice deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel size. They're priced at $1.10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. Now we also still have the 5 off 3 digital coupon on the Old Spice products. This coupon is also glitching and working on the travel size Old Spice deodorants, priced at $1.10 each. So if you want to pick up 3, use that 5 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.70 in overage. All right, now moving right along, we have this 3 off 1 digital coupon on the Imodium. This one is glitching and working on the 0.4 ounce bottles of Imodium liquid. These are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. All right, next up, we've got a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Polydent products. This one is glitching and working on the 28 count. These are priced at $3.30. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.30. All right, next up, we've had a price increase on this one. So we've got this $1.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Vicks products. This one is glitching and working on the 18 count cough drops. They're priced at $2.50 now. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. All right, next up, we've got a 2 off 1 digital coupon on the multi-packs of Fix-A-Dent. This one is glitching and working on the single Fix-A-Dent Plus Precision Hold. These are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay. Next up, we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Pepto products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12 count Pepto-Bismol. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Now, we also have a new 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Energizer batteries, but this coupon is glitching and working on the 4 count Ever Ready AA batteries. They're priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon on the Always Discreet products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 26 count Always Discreet liners. They're priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Axe products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. These are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. All right, next up, we've got a 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Bounty paper towels. This coupon is glitching and working on the 8 equals 12 rolls. These are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11.50. All right, next up, we've got a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Crest mouthwash. This one is glitching and working on the travel size Crest mouthwash. These are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we've got a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Bounty paper towels. This coupon is glitching and working on the Bounty Essential 1 count paper towels for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. And now this one I wanted to save for the end because I know this is going to be a harder item to find, but they are still out there. I promise you guys, I am still finding these Centrum mini vitamins. I believe during the last clearance event, I think I found a total of 4 of these. So you really and truly just never know until you're out there looking around. So if you do spot these at your store, go ahead and pick them up because they pennied out a while back and they are still a penny. Plus, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon. So that's going to make them completely free, plus give you $2.99 in overage. And this weekend, during the clearance event, is going to be the perfect time to be on the lookout for these Centra Minis. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned because we have so much going on this week at Dollar General. It is absolutely crazy. And you definitely don't want to miss out. So, make sure that you're subscribed. Please hit the thumbs up button, leave me a smile down below, and take a second and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.